everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today I'm going to tell you about a little experience I had at Walmart this week. Now, I'm always looking for a good bargain, especially when it comes to gardening things. And I found this. It's Scott's 4x10 landscape fabric, the Pro series. And there was a sign that says on clearance for $5. Okay, this row is usually about $30 and up. So my husband asked the guy if he would check it, and he scanned it. Yep, $5. So needless to say, I picked up 5 of them. Never have too much landscape fabric. I use it in the garden to cover in the wintertime. I use it in the flower gardens. I use it everywhere. So usually I went online and I found a 4-pack of it for $60. So it gives you an idea of how much I saved, or I thought I was going to save. This is where it comes in tricky. I went to the checkout to check it out, and they tried to charge me $15 a piece. Still a good bargain, not to say, but I knew it was on clearance for $5. So I told them that, and they said, nope, it's on clearance for $15. I said, well, go back and talk to the guy in the back. He's the one that scanned it. He's the one in charge back there. He told me it was $5. Well, she took them off, or she said she took them off, and I said, no, you didn't take them off. She goes, yes, I did. She'd taken 2 of them off, not all 5. And then the lady came to check on what her problem was, and she goes, they're on sale for clearance for $15. I said, no, talk to the guy in the back. It's $5. She went away, and I said, if you're going to charge me $15, I don't want them. Well, she went away, and she came back. She never said a word. She went to the cash register, started typing up things, and then threw this into the cart. Yep, $5. So as I was walking out the door, I was reading the slip because something didn't seem right, because it was a lot more expensive than what I thought it should have been. And of course the lady, the greeter, asked to see the receipt. I just held up my hand up in the air and said, here it is, and I walked on out. And I got to the car, and my husband unloaded the cart and put it in the car, and he started in the car, and I said, they overcharged us by $60. What? I said, she never took the rest of them off. They took 3 of them off, and then they added 2 of them back on. Plus they added the $25 for all 5 of them. So he had to go back in and get the money. So I got a good deal. I got these for $5 a piece, which is what it was advertised as. But my point is, make sure you check your receipts as you walk out the door. It's probably better to, if I had caught the mistake before I actually got outside. But we were a little frustrated by all that had gone on beforehand, and at least we got the money back. But I'm just saying, check your receipts. Make sure that the bargain that they say it is actually the bargain that you pay for, and that they don't try to charge you the faux price. So I hope you've learned something. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Share this so other people will know that they have to watch their receipts when they go to different stores. I'm sure it happens at other stores, not just our local Walmart. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I'm on next. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And hopefully you can find yourself a good bargain in the current house. Bye.